How to get loan on Moneypoint, borrowing money from Moneypoint. So before anything, you're gonna have to put in mind that the Moneypoint app isn't actually focused on loaning. So you're gonna expect that this option isn't available for everyone. So Moneypoint does not generally offer personal loans to regular individual users since their loans are primarily business focused, especially for users with a business account that does regular transactions through Moneypoint and APOS terminals. So if you do get this option over here in the salary, and if you find the salary or whatever gets you here to the joining the waitlist, make sure you go ahead and press on that as well, since this is one of their loaning options. So you join a waitlist, and if you are eligible to enter this, then they will tell you eventually. So just go ahead and put in mind that the only people that can do this are the ones that are verified. So you can have a verified Moneypoint business account and use Moneypoint services regularly. But those are the prerequisites, or basically what you're gonna need to be able to go for a loan in Moneypoint. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.